Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laney. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are not new here, thank you for coming back. Today I'm going to be just recording a vlog of what I'm doing today, probably show you some things that I eat, and basically just gonna try to pick up my camera whenever I'm doing something. I hope it's a fun and entertaining video for you. If you do like it, please leave a thumbs up down below, subscribe if you want to, and comment letting me know how your week has been, if you have anything exciting coming up, and I'd just love to hear from you because I love reading people's comments. Also, I have green hair now. Not that anyone really cares, but I do have green hair now, and I like it. So if you don't like it, I'm sorry, but I do. So that's all I have. So let's get on to the video. As of recently, I've been, instead of having coffee every morning, I've been making this, I don't really know what to call it. I got it from a local coffee shop, and I think I showed it in my last few videos, and it's called ground cocoa, or brewing cocoa, and basically you brew it like you brew coffee on a stove, except for it's just cacao beans, and then I put it with almond milk, and it kind of tastes like chocolate milk, but with a more bitter kind of bean hit to it. I really like it, and I don't think it has caffeine. It might, honestly, I don't know, but I've been drinking this instead of coffee in the morning. I don't really feel like I need to record myself doing this again, but I just thought that I would throw this in here, that I'm doing my daily journal again while I drink my coffee and I'm waiting for my oats to cook in the oven. Normally when I write in my journal, I write down 3 things I'm grateful for, and I thought that maybe today I would share what I wrote just to leave you with something for the week to maybe think about being grateful for. So today I wrote, I am grateful for who I am, where my energy is placed in this world, and the abundance of blessings and opportunities. And I think that all 3 of them play together. In my personal growth that I've been going through in the past 6 months, I've been really working on my mental health and just really taking my personal health seriously so that I can better myself, and it's really been working, and I'm going to continue to do this. Quickly think of 3 things you're grateful for today, and maybe if you haven't told a certain person that you're grateful for them, call or text them and just let them know that you love them and that you're still there for them. So here's my breakfast. I made a peanut butter and chocolate baked oats, and I cooked it at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. And it looks absolutely amazing. Also, that's the book that I'm reading right now, and I'm probably gonna read that while I eat my breakfast. I just finished getting ready. So here's my outfit. I have a gold layered necklace on, just a plain black tank top, and then a plaid skirt, full length of the skirt, and then I have my boots on. And I curled my hair. I don't know if I'm doing anything today, I just felt like getting ready because it always makes me feel better. So right now I'm going to use my computer to work on some essays I have to do for a college audition I have coming up. I am heading to New York on Tuesday, so that will be tomorrow, and I will be auditioning while I'm in New York because I will be dancing at the school that I want to go to for their summer conservatory program that I had to audition to get into. I'm there for like 17 days or something like that. And while I'm there, they'll have me do the actual audition to get into the college because I am a senior in high school. So I have to type 2 essays, and then I have to choreograph some dance and stuff. And later in the video, I'll show you guys me packing my bag because I'm not gonna have any time on Monday or Tuesday to pack, and I leave Tuesday night. Okay, so as I said, I am leaving to New York on Tuesday. I'm so excited. And I'm going to pack my clothes right now. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pick out like the basics and stuff. I am there for 17 days and I'm going to be able to do laundry, so I'm probably just gonna be packing lots of basics, and I'll be in dance attire pretty much the whole time, so like leotards, tights, loose clothing. But when we go to Central Park for dinner, when we go to shows and stuff, I need to have like normal clothes. Okay, I'm just gonna hold up. I'm gonna do sections of what I'm bringing. So the first thing I'm gonna do is tops. I have this tank top. This t-shirt, this oversized t-shirt, this t-shirt, a black and white tank top as basics, some more tank tops here. I have a lavender tank top, a blush tank top, navy blue tank top, and then a yellow tank top. And for t-shirts, I have a yellow one, a pink one, a blue one, a green one, a white one, and then I'm going to take this black one. Next section is going to be bottoms. I have 2 pairs of leggings. I needed a black pair, and then I decided I'd bring a green pair just because I like the color and they're really comfortable. I have 2 pairs of shorts that are just like comfy cotton shorts to like sleep in, and then I have a pair of athletic shorts for the more like day-to-day stuff when we go out in New York and stuff outside of the school. I brought 4 pairs of denim shorts. So I have a light wash, I have black, white, and then I do have a dark wash. As far as pants go, besides the leggings, the only pair of pants I'm gonna bring are 1 pair of jeans because New York is really hot in the summer. And I know this because I have been there before. If you want to check out my New York vlog from 2019, even though it wasn't very good, you can go check that out. It's still up on my channel. But I'm taking these vintage Lees that I thrifted. And the reason I'm taking these is because these are the only pair of jeans I have that don't have holes in them. And the school doesn't allow us to wear ripped jeans. I only own 1 pair of jeans that I can take. So these are what I'm taking. I love these jeans though, so I'm very happy about that. The next thing I had to bring, this was a requirement by the school, I needed to get black slacks, trousers. The last thing I have is some black sweatpants. And these are just like the kind that kind of go in around your ankle a little bit, and they're oversized, and I really like them. So they're gonna be really comfortable to be able to dance in, lounge around in when I'm in my room. Also, I will be trying to vlog the experience as much as I can. I don't know if I'll be able to get a video up the first Monday I'm gone, but I will do my best. If I can't, it will be up the week after, and then the Monday after that, because I think I'm gonna make 2 vlogs. That's all I have packed for clothes. Most of my stuff that I needed, like my dance shoes, my leotards, my tights, any of the dress shirts I had to wear, any food I was taking, I already shipped to New York because we were told to ship that stuff. Also, like my blankets and bedding sheets and whatnot, that's all shipped, so that's in New York right now. I'm trying kombucha. Cheers. Oh, it smells bad. I don't know if I like it or if I hate it. I'm gonna finish drinking this, and then I'll let you know what I think about it. This is the GT's kombucha in guava goddess, I believe. Okay, I'm back in my car. As every video, I'm always in my car for some reason. I'm going to be going to get one of my friends, and we are going to go shopping and get some lunch together. I don't know if I'll record any of it because I don't want to have my camera all in her face, but I'll let you know how it was when I get back. I'm home from the mall and from lunch with my friend, and now I'm gonna get into some comfortable clothes because I'm tired of being dressed in normal clothes. And then I'm probably going to work some more on the essay I was typing earlier, like go back through it and read over it and just make any changes I want to now that I have kind of a fresh mind from what I wrote earlier. And then I'm going to put on my clothes that I showed you guys earlier. I'm gonna put those into my suitcase. Now that I'm changed into some more comfortable clothes, I folded up my stuff and put it in my bag, and now I'm just gonna curl up on the couch and read A Court of Wings and Ruin. I am so in love with this book. I'm really excited to see where this book goes. I just ate my dinner. I'm currently watching Soul. So if you can hear that in the background, that's what that is. And I'm just finishing up this bottle of water after my dinner, and I'm just gonna chill, probably watch another movie because today's my rest day, so my body just really needs to like relax, and I really hope I don't get copyrighted for this music. So yeah, I'm just probably gonna chill here for a bit, might read more of my book, might do more writing, and that's pretty much all I have. I made myself a cup of tea and I'm watching Raya and the Last Dragon. This is I think it's like a lavender relax tea. So I'm just gonna have this while I watch this movie. Sorry for the bad lighting, but I'm gonna finish this video off because I am getting tired, and I'm just going to finish drinking my tea and then go to bed. Sorry that this video wasn't like the most interesting and that I wasn't able to show you a lot of what I was doing, but I'm hoping that my next video will be a vlog of when I'm in New York, and I hope that I'll be able to show you guys more of what I'm doing. So if you did like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe down below. Let me know what other types of videos you guys would like to see, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.